Okay guys, I have successfully removed the bolts right here. They are a 15 millimeter, just like the caliper bracket bolts. At this point now, as you can see, there's your hub assembly. And as you can see, if I just grab it, you can literally work it right out. As you can see, it's already separating from the spindle. And all you have to do is just keep pulling. It'll come out. Now granted, please remember to line this dust shield up when putting this hub assembly back on. So from here, the only thing I have left to do is remove this, which I can do that right now. What you may have to do is take a hammer on the end of this shaft right here in order to release it from the splines and the CV axle. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to get it off, and then I'm going to make one last video showing you the rest of this process.